Of course, women today are no less than men in any respect, but there are some rules in the scriptures which are considered necessary to follow. According to those rules, some work is considered prohibited for women. Why are women prohibited from touching Hanumanji? Women are prohibited from touching Hanumanji because everyone knows that Hanumanji is celibate. It is believed that Hanumanji considered women like mothers. That is why it has been said in the scriptures that women should not touch them. However, they can worship Hanumanji by staying away. In some places it is also believed that women can touch Lord Hanuman after their periods stop. Why are women prohibited from breaking coconuts? Women are prohibited from breaking coconuts because when coconuts are broken or lemons are cut in temples, energy is released from them. The same purpose is hidden behind sacrificing any animal, chicken or goat. Only men do the work of breaking coconuts during puja or any other auspicious function at home in temples. It is considered taboo for women. Actually, coconut is considered a symbol of Mother Lakshmi and fertility. However, women can offer coconut to God. According to mythology, when Lord Vishnu incarnated on earth, he brought with him three things: Lakshmi, coconut tree and Kamdenu. All these three things are boons for humans. This is the reason why the coconut tree is also called Kalpavriksha. All three gods Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh are considered to reside in the coconut. Due to the presence of three gods, coconut is kept away from women. Coconut is considered to be a fruit sent to earth by Lord Vishnu. See over which goddess Lakshmi has authority. Therefore, no woman except goddess Lakshmi can break a coconut. Coconut is considered to be in the seed form and a woman gives birth to a child in the seed form. Hence women are prohibited from breaking the coconut. It is said that if a woman breaks a coconut, she faces problems in conceiving. Religious belief is that once Vishwamitra got angry with Lord Indra and created a separate heaven, and when Maharishi was not satisfied even after this, he decided to create a different earth, and he first created a coconut in the form of a human being, due to which coconut is also considered to be the form of a human being. Coconut has three eyes. It is believed in the scriptures that these three eyes is considered to be the form of Trinetra. Why are women prohibited from wearing sacred thread? Women are strictly prohibited from wearing sacred thread. In Hindu religion, only men wear sacred thread and not women. In fact, many rules have been made in the scriptures regarding the sacred thread, and it has also been said to take special care of its purity. Women are not considered pure during menstruation. During this time they are not even allowed to perform puja or touch God. In such a situation, women will not be able to completely follow the rules of wearing sacred thread. That is why it is prohibited for them to wear it. However, while remaining pure, she can definitely make the sacred thread. Why are women prohibited from sacrificing? Women are prohibited from performing sacrifices. Whenever a sacrifice is made to any god or goddess, this work is always done by men because this work is also prohibited for women in the scriptures. Because women are weak at heart and they have more compassion in their hearts than men. It happens. The most important thing is that women give birth to children and they know that a living being is brought into this world after enduring so much suffering. Why can't a woman be the sole host in Havan? Havan or religious ritual. Even during any Havan or religious ritual, women alone do not become the main host. It is considered mandatory for her husband to be with her. This is prohibited in the scriptures. Women cannot offer sacrifice in yajna without their husband. If the husband is alive, Why are women forbidden from cutting pumpkins? Pumpkin has mythological significance in the Hindu community. In many religious rituals where animal sacrifice is not done, pumpkin is sacrificed considering it as a symbol of the animal. There is also a popular belief that pumpkin is considered the eldest son. In many states including Chhattisgarh, women of the tribal community cannot even think of cutting it. In many houses, women do not cut the pumpkin. Many people also call the pumpkin the head of Ravana. Why are women forbidden to touch shaligram? Women are also prohibited from touching shaligram because Lord Shaligram is in the shape of a linga. Women do not even touch Shiva linga. Women and married women should not touch shaligram. According to the scriptures, women should not worship shaligram during menstruation. Why are women prohibited from going to the crematorium? Crematorium is a place where evil spirits reside. It is believed that negative energies are more attracted towards black and tall people. That is why women are prohibited from going to the crematorium. It is believed that evil spirits first target women. Ghosts especially target women who are virgins. That is why they are not taken to the cremation ground. There is also a belief that dead souls keep wandering at the cremation ground, hence the chances of these spirits entering the bodies of girls and women are highest. Therefore, there is a ban on women going to the crematorium.